In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Sheets, a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data. Whether you're new to spreadsheets or looking to refresh your skills, this will give you a solid foundation. Let's begin by opening up Google Sheets. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is crucial as it allows you to access all the great features Google offers. Once you're logged in, open your preferred web browser. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, you'll notice a grid of 9 small squares. This is the Google Apps icon, your gateway to a variety of Google services. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear showing several Google applications. Look for Sheets, the one with the vibrant green icon. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Google Sheets homepage. Here you are met with a variety of templates and options to choose from. For our purposes today, we want to create a new sheet from scratch. To do that, locate the option that says plus blank and click on it, which opens a fresh blank spreadsheet. Now let's dive into organizing some data. It's always a good idea to start by creating headings for your data categories. In the very first row, type out your column titles. These could be anything based on your needs, but for our tutorial, we'll go with simple headers like name, age, and score. Position these across the first row of your spreadsheet, ensuring each title sits comfortably within its own cell. This row will hold the labels for the data you enter below and helps keep your spreadsheet organized and easy to read. Once your headings are in place, continue by entering some sample data in the rows below. Simply click into each cell and type in the information that matches the column heading. For example, under name, you might type John. Under age, you could input 24, and under score, perhaps 88. Feel free to enter as much or as little data as you like. What's important is practicing the knack for entering and organizing data effectively. Another crucial step is saving your work. As you work with spreadsheets, you'll want to preserve your data for future reference and analysis. Look for the green file option at the top of your screen. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Download, and then choose Microsoft Excel. Now, name your document My First Spreadsheet. Saving it on your desktop ensures easy access whenever you need to revisit or modify your data. With these basic steps, you've successfully ventured into the world of Google Sheets. As you continue exploring, you'll find more features and tools to enhance your spreadsheets. Keep experimenting, and soon you'll master sorting, formatting, and analyzing data with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!